Welcome, I'm Yvonne Davis, and today I'm going to talk about visualizing a goal. So this builds on something I have talked about before, which is that in order to manifest a goal, you need to have clarity and focus and prioritize, okay? So if you know what your goal is and you know that that is your top priority and you have clarity and focus around that, then you can do visualization. This is a technique to help build the reality in your subconscious. And once you do that, you trigger something in your brain that helps you to see the pathway to achieving your goal when opportunities arise or new ideas may come into your mind, and that will take you toward the manifestation of your goal. So I have a little exercise for you today. This is what I want you to do. I want you to write on a notebook, success looks like ... Then describe what that would be. So for me, it's me buying a house. Okay. That's my goal. All right. I'm going to take you to a tool that I like to use for manifestation. Pinterest is awesome. Now you can do vision boards. You may be familiar with them. If you're not, it's really easy to find out how to do a vision board. Sometimes they're called treasure maps. I like Pinterest because it's super easy, and this helps you to visualize your goal. So I have a number of goals. I know what my primary goal is, which is to buy a house, but it could be virtually anything. So anyway, I was looking at some houses and landscaping and how I wanted to furnish, but also my writing is super important to me. So I included lots of images of people, like this kind of gets me in the mood for doing my writing. And in fact, I'm going to be doing something called NaNoWriMo this year, which is where writers, you basically write a book, a 50,000 word book in November. So I got some visualization for that. And then, for decorating, and also I wanted to visualize my credit score 800 or higher so that I would have good credit to buy a home, because that's one of my goals. Also, to get to 10,000 subscribers for my YouTube. So basically anything you're trying to do, if you're trying to create a business, make more money, advance in your career, buy a house, get better credit, what other kinds of things. And sometimes I'll put in some quotes there. And, or if you're looking for romance, or you want to buy a car, it just really doesn't matter. It just, whatever appeals to you. And so you want to create these images. So basically what you're going to do is focus on your goal and visualize it, and then have some images external to you that can be on a vision board. You can use Pinterest. You can use a vision journal and, paste pictures into it. You can write in your journal. And then eventually what you want to do is you want to take some time to do some meditation, because ultimately this is creative visualization meditation. So you get the images and then you take some time to meditate on them and get it to go deep into your subconscious, okay? Because that will help you ultimately with your manifestation. All right, so that's it for today. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.